Hey everyone, I'm Patrick Albrecht. I'm the project manager with Gilbane Building Company, and I'll be walking you through the School of Data Science today. So we're approaching the west elevation. This will be a courtyard. The precast box you see in front of us is the transformer vault. Not that interesting, but worth pointing out at this point. This corner over here, just to orient us, this is the southwest corner of the building where the janitorial services, it's the mechanical space, it's the trash room. But as we move north, where you see these 2x4s framed, that is your west stair. So that's the stair that runs up the west elevation of the building. All right, so in this direction right here is your west vestibule. That's where you will enter from the sidewalks. That's where you'll enter the building. As we continue to move north, where you see these racks of conduit, that is your corporate commons area. So it'll be a really fun, entertaining space when it's all said and done. All right, so we are approaching the northwest corner of the space. You can see we've defined the building limits at this point and the perimeter. These are your concrete foundation walls currently in place. Where you see that the rebar turn up in 90, that is where your slab on grade or your concrete floor will be when it's all said and done. All right, moving our way north. When the job's done and the hardscapes are in place, you'll have a 15-foot wide sidewalk here, right up against the building facade. This facade will be brick, curtain wall, storefront windows, and some aluminum louvers. Some of those windows are actually operable, so you can try and, rather than use the HVAC system in the building, you can try and temper your office with opening and closing those windows. All right, we're walking past, I believe, is student services, right in the middle of that first floor area, some of the quiet offices right inside that concrete wall. We're making our way around to what we call is northeast corner of the building. This is your hub space. You'll have that large video wall, wall right here on the west elevation of that space. So that's going to be really fun when it's all said and done. All right, again, still hovering over the hub space right inside the concrete foundation wall here. If you look down, this is how we reinforce the concrete foundation walls. You have reinforcing bars of miscellaneous sizes. The ones you see with these plastic caps on them, that is what goes up the concrete masonry units, the CMU, that supports the brick facade. And where we're standing right here is your main east entry. So if you imagine you have the patio space outside, you've got the beautiful large portico columns. If you look up, you see the trellis, and then this is an outside hanging out space. So it's going to be really special. So we walk through and you're in your main corridor. You've got your reception desk on the left, and you might ask yourself what this large steel tube is sticking up. That is your elevator hoistway. So that's what the hydraulic jack that actually lowers and raises your elevator car. All of these steel columns you see are the anchor bolts and reinforcing for your steel columns and brace frames that support all around your elevator that go down into this 3-foot thick mat slab that surrounds your elevator. That mat slab is about 4 feet below your concrete slab on grade or your concrete floor. Right where we're standing, right inside this wall, is a seminar space. Again, another area for, I'm assuming, conferences and teaching. That's the tour around the building for now. As we go vertical, it's going to get much more interesting. You're going to really see the building take shape. So in about 3 months, so today is May the 19th. We've got a couple more weeks of concrete and then start steel on June 6th. Should be complete and topped out with steel sometime in September.